We see what the gift.
What is that?
My brother is very nice brother. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Isma's Diary. Hope you're all doing well. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell. Oh yeah, friends, I have something special surprise from my brother. I have one brother. He's very love to me. Brother name is Ivan, but I call him boy. He call me Bill. And give me a special package. This is let's we open together. Friends, we open together. My mother helped me to open the gift because using scissors. I'm afraid. We see what the gift.
What is that?
A dice. Friends, I'm so happy. My brother give me a giant snack leaders with the dice. Yippee! Friends, follow me to open the dice and the snack leaders. Wow, the big dice! I'm very happy, friends. Wow, yippee! The big one. Yippee! My brother is very nice brother. My brother is very nice brother. Wow, so big, friends! I have to open my sandal, friends. See, friends, this is a coronavirus. Friends, to play the game, we have the dice and the pyramid. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pyramids. And we have the up and back of card. Yippee! Let's go, friends. We counting the up card and the back of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 back of cards. Now we count the up card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24. We have 24 up cards. Let's go, friends. We play the game. Take the pyramid. Isma have a sister pyramid. We start number 1.
Hey!
We throw the dice. Oh, I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I up there. And 25. pencegahan COVID-19.